Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please do go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot for the channel. We're here today in Birmingham to check out a Hampton by Hilton. If you've never heard of this one, this is their entry-level hotel, and on the face of it, seems like a bit of a bargain. It's £64.20 on a Friday night here in Birmingham for a double room with breakfast included. The hotel also has a bar and restaurant, has conferencing facilities and even a gym, so let's go check it out. Come on, let's go.
Yo, it's a Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
Lovely, nice, bright corridors. Am I going the right way? No, I'm not. The lady on reception was very helpful indeed. She even let me choose which floor I wanted to stay on. So I've gone for floor 2. So hopefully we get a bit of a view. Love this carpet. Can't even see. This carpet's really nice. Oh, here we are. We're looking for 233. And here we are. Let's go check out the Hampton by Hilton. So this might sound a little weird, but first impression of the room when I walk in, it smells in a good way. It smells really, really clean and fresh. A little bit of fragrance in the air. So, good bonus. Now let's go and have a look around the room. So as we enter, we've got the bathroom to the left, which we will check out shortly. But the first thing you notice, apart from the nice smelling room, is the beautiful big vanity mirror just to the side here. There is a couple of scuffs on the wall, but not too bad. Mirror looks lovely. And then you walk into the main room. So obviously, bed is the main feature. Nice bit of artwork up top. Is that of the Birmingham canals? Or have they just got generic canals? I don't actually know, but if it is the Birmingham canals, that's a nice touch. We kind of have a green, sort of purple and brown wood theme to the room, which I quite like actually. On paper, that might not sound appealing, but I think you'll agree, it looks kind of nice. So we've got a nice big cabinet here with plug sockets just on the side, and a very large Samsung TV to watch in bed, which is a very good sized TV considering how close the bed is. Underneath we then have the tea and coffee making facilities, which is quite of a neat place to put it, but also if you do put the kettle on there, obviously you've got the plug on the side, but if you do use the kettle there, surely the steam will go up and cause issues under here. In fact, there's another plug socket under there. So if you did have the kettle there, then the steam would go straight into the plug socket that's just above. So that might be a bit of a safety risk. So you'd have to move that somewhere else. So potential issue there, but it is neatly tucked away. Obviously you've got your teas, coffees, PG tips, etc., milk, sugar, teacups, glasses, which is good, and a nice little bin. We then come over this way and we have a little work desk. Nice little office chair where you can sit and do some work, or just get ready for a night out with your nice Vanity mirror again, another good size mirror. Hair dryer. Why have they started putting hair dryers in bags? I've never really understood this, but it's now a trendy thing to have your hair dry in a bag. I suppose it's not a bad thing. More plug sockets. Just move my bag so you can see the nice size of the table. I do really like this light as well. It's a very nice, very office light themed. I'll say light once more, but I like that. We then have a little chair in the corner. Almost looks like a reading chair of sorts, kind of like a modern day wing back with a little poof or poufet. I never really know how the correct way to say that is. Then obviously the main feature of the room is your bed. We've gone for a double, which although it looks very simple and plain, is kind of all you want in a budget hotel really, isn't it? A nice, clean, comfy place to lay your head. Bright green headboard. And it's actually nicely padded. A lot of these you get, they look padded, but they're just like the wood, but nice padded headboard, good cushions. We'll do the bed test in a sec. Oh, that is interesting. Oh, that's a bit weird. So it's literally just sat on a piece of wood. So I'm not sure how comfy that will be, but I've never seen anything like that before. Like I said, we'll come back to the bed test, but first we will check out what sort of a view we have. So, oh, there's no window. So all of those curtains are just for show. So no window there. I'm pretty sure I can see one hiding here. Here we go. So there is a little one here, which just looks out onto the roof. Kind of get a glimpse of Birmingham in the background. But, well, it's not exactly looking at the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, but not too bad. Bit weird there's not a window here with a whole load of curtains. So really is quite a nice little workstation here. Chair's nice and comfy, and I don't know if the camera does this, but it is a really nice big desk, this. And if you were here on work rather than leisure and you did need a laptop and some diaries out and so forth, it really is a good place to do some work. So let's go check out the beds. Let's check out this bed. If you like a firm bed, you'll be okay. If you want a soft bed, you won't be. It's also very high up, so I'm just over 6 foot, not gloating, but I'm sat on the edge of the bed now and my feet are dangling about 2 inches off the ground. So if you're short as well, you might need a bit of a step up or a jump into bed. I like a firm bed, so I think this will be fine for me, but if you're looking for a soft bed, this is a little bit like sleeping on a plank of wood, but I'll confirm whether it is or not in the morning. So on the far side of the bed, we have a plug socket, lights for the side lamps and the main light, and a little shelf. And then on this side, again the same with the plug sockets. You also get USB charging sockets as well as the main plug, which is always useful. And instead of a little shelf, you get an actual little chest of drawers. Ooh, hello. So top drawer is a little safe. That's always nice. And then 2 drawers underneath without the Bible, unfortunately. Also get a phone. This goes down to reception. Now the lady on reception was incredibly polite and helpful. She said that all you need to do is press 0 and it goes straight through to her. It's a 24-hour manned reception and there's someone there to help you whenever you need. Obviously being a modern hotel, it does have aircon, and you have your little thermostat on the side here. So we're still in the winter now, so we won't be needing that, but in the summer if you stay, that's always very useful. This door is a slidey door which goes between the shower room and your wardrobe, so you kind of have one or the other. The only bit of wear and tear that I found that's kind of significant so far is this bit here on the wardrobe. It almost looks like it's got wet and expanded. And again there, and this is probably where the aircon unit sits, above here. You can see there's stainage around the sides, in fact quite a lot. So that might have had a leak at some point, and then the leaks come down here and made the wood expand. They just marks from the coat hangers, I think, going back. So in the wardrobe, a few hangers, obviously, your iron and your ironing board. Then if we go back the other way into the shower room, floor to ceiling tiles, obviously your toilet, your main sink area, which is actual granite or marble. Let me know in the comments which it is. How do you tell the difference between granite and marble? Are they the same thing? I don't know, but let me know. Nice big unit regardless, with your big mirror. You've got your shaving plugs, body lotion, hand soap. Quite like these lights too. These lights are nice. And then you've got your shower cubicle, which is quite a decent size, probably two to three people. Not that you want that many in the shower, but just to give you an idea of room. Free shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. Over by your toilet, you've got obviously the toilet paper, box of tissues, flannels, hand towels, main towels, nicely tucked away. Again, this is seeing a little bit of wear and tear, but not too bad. Oh, and a couple of hangers as you walk in. Oh, well, I was expecting that to be pretty firm, but it's not. That's super soft. What a nice chair. Don't really know what you do in this chair. I suppose if you get bored of sitting in the bed, so you can sit in the chair and watch TV, but either way. So room looks really nice overall. Little bit of a leak from the aircon, I'm assuming, and it's caused a little bit of damage to the wardrobe, but other than that, everything's very clean, very tidy, smells great, seems really good. Obviously we've got breakfast to look forward to in the morning, so I'll run you through that then. I'm going to go check out the bar now and hopefully have a peek in the gym if possible. I'm not working out though, I'm going out drinking tonight, so we'll jog tomorrow, not tonight. So to the bar, let's go. This is the gym which we've got to ourselves currently. So we've got a Peloton bike, some cardio stuff, cross trainer, runners. We got some, what I call the wires, but there's probably a fancy name for it, and a little free weight zone. Not the biggest gym in the world, but if you want to get a quick sweat on, not too bad. But as exciting as the gym is, let's go get a drink. So just off the main bar, there's like, I suppose this is a little businessy area. Have yourself a little meeting, read a few books. So in the morning, went down to breakfast. They had a great selection, starting with cereals and toast. They then had a cold selection of cheeses and meats with yogurts and fruit. They had the whole full English on offer and even a make your own waffle station. Naturally, I went for the full English. Overall, really enjoyed my stay here at Hampton by Hilton, and I would definitely come back for another visit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourists, games.